I'd like to say thank you to the thank you for the opportunity to come and present what we have been doing so far at the Innovation Hub. My name is Julie Tetwa, and I'm the founder of Memeza Community Safety and Crime Prevention. I then joined the Innovation Hub, and while at the Innovation Hub, I took a raw concept to the Innovation Hub. It was through the Innovation Hub that the concept was developed fully. Now the solutions that we present are two solutions. It's one solution for a woman who is walking in the streets that need to be safe. It's another solution for the woman and her family inside of the house. How can we be safe? The one that we came about is one of the simplest, it's the most effective, and we'll present it to you right now, then you can see how it works.
This is what we call the Memeza Personal Safety Alarm. The way it works is a very simple way that it works. It does not, it's not something that can beat anyone. The way it works is a personal alarm, by simply the pull of that report, which is this. We have an alarming sound that will alert. This was just to alert your surroundings. The way it works is that wherever you are, you could be walking in a passage, going to school, you could be going to work. By the pull of this simple report, you will be able to alert your surroundings.